Pussy in your face, that'll put you in your place. Boom. 7 letters on the plate, fuck you when I break. Bitch.
Give me a second. Let me get my life. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Jay Da Vinci here with a quick slay. This makeup look took me under 10 minutes. So if you're in a rush and you want to look cute, whether it's the club, to go see your in-laws, to meet your boyfriend's parents for the first day, whatever it is, I got you. You're gonna look like a baddie in under 10 minutes. Really, 5 minutes if you weren't talking like me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, because we got lit content all the time. I don't know if you guys know, but I'm pregnant. So we've been all over the place. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's start.
Stop playing with him.
Jay Da Vinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me and his bitch.
Oh, you guys, seriously y'all, it's been a long day. I just got off work. Now I'm going to be having dinner with my in-laws. We're gonna have, let me tell y'all what is on the menu. Smothered pork chops. Sorry if you're vegan, vegetarian. Smothered pork chops, mashed potatoes, greens, and like corn. So fire. It's gonna be really good. But yeah, I'm gonna just do a quick makeup look. It really doesn't even require makeup, but I got off work and I was feeling like putting on makeup today, you know? Especially when you don't like your job. You gotta actually do what you love. Otherwise, what are you doing? So even though tonight doesn't require makeup, we're gonna put it on. You heard, we're gonna put it on. If you didn't know, I'm pregnant. 2nd trimester. This belly bump is just growing by the hour. I was at work today and all my coworkers was like, oh my gosh, look at your stomach. And I was like, what about it? You know, like I hadn't even realized that my stomach was showing through my uniform like that. Girl's stomach getting big. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. I got all the cute baby bump, mommy fashion photos, because we're gonna be fashionable. Look at me, out of breath. We're gonna be fashionable this pregnancy. This is my first pregnancy. It might be my only pregnancy. Just be the ultimate mom ghost. Like, you could slay while pregnant, okay? Yeah, I've really been into messy brows. Kind of like fast brows. Whatever is fast, I want it, you know? Like, it depends. It really depends on my mood, because I'm over here like, I like messy brows, but some days I might come here with bleaked out brows. It just depends on my mood and how much energy I have. Oh, if you're wondering what I'm going to conceal my brows with, I'm going to be using NARS in the color Biscuit. Definitely one of my favorite concealers, especially to carve out the brows. I don't get my brows done. I don't believe in pain is beauty, because pain is not beauty. Beauty is beauty naturally. Even if you feel you're ugly, you're not ugly, you're beautiful. You know, like we're all beautiful in our own ways. And the best beauty is the one that you, how do I explain it? Like, the fact that you are you and you look like yourself, that's beautiful. I don't know if you've scrolled Instagram lately and seen that all these, I don't even want to call them bitches, but all these girls look the same. And it's like, I don't want to look like you, okay? That shouldn't even be rude. I don't want to look like you. I don't want to dress like you. I want to make my own fashion statements here. You know, it's like, so just do you, be you, and live for yourself and have fun doing it, you know? Boom, tada, that's it. But we gotta conceal these brows and we can't talk. Oh, by the way, dinner starts at 7 and it's currently 6 o'clock. The doctors called me, my OBGYN was like, have you picked up your medicine? And I'm like, who told me to pick up medicine? Like, I've already been taking, I've been taking my prenatal vitamins. Like, isn't that it? And she was like, no, we ordered you to have vitamin D. And I was like, oh shit, okay. Well, I'll go get it. Because nobody told me that, so how would I know? And nobody clued me in on having vitamin D. But I'm gonna go on with my Rihanna Fenty concealer in the shade 330. Told you guys, for some odd reason, I just felt like coming home and putting on makeup. I have like problems down here, but it's cool because we have on a turtleneck, so turtleneck always saves the day. If you guys are wondering, this concealer is great. I came back to the banana powder, like the powder she has, and I realized the smell smells better than the actual product. Unless I just can't bake it. Like if you bake with the setting powder, it's no good. and that's no good, you know? So I found myself using it less. You really can't bake with it. You just gotta dust it on and off with a brush. I'm gonna go in with my medium Kat Von D Lock-It foundation. The only reason why I'm using this foundation is because it's transfer resistant. So I have on a turtleneck, but my makeup's not gonna get all over the place. I'm gonna just go on with my hands and kind of slap myself like this. Just to give us some coverage. So by slapping yourself like that, it just helps the makeup look more skin-like. Lastly, if you're not that good at slapping yourself, this just sounds fucking awful. Yeah, if you don't do a good job at that, just, you can go over everything with the beauty blender. We're gonna slug them up real quick. We're actually gonna go in with the Rihanna Fenty in the color 300. First, we're gonna go over it. We're gonna just dab a little bit of this 330 because I don't want it to be like so bright. 300. Okay, then we could bring a bit down our nose because we want to snatch them all. Chin, and really that's it. We're gonna blend it out with the beauty blender. And we're almost done with this makeup look, believe it or not. If you just want like a light, subtle makeup look, like, I didn't try, it took me 5 minutes. Yeah, I'll just beat my face in 5 minutes. This is that makeup look. So once it's blended out, make sure it's blended how you want it before you set it. We're gonna go in with our E48 brush. Kind of just dab it in there. And for our face, this, believe it or not, I'm gonna use my powder. We're gonna use our Cover FX powder because you guys know I always use this. It's in the shade N60, and I'm gonna use the sponge it comes with because we want full coverage, maximum coverage. We're gonna use this sponge. Actually looks a bit dirty. I personally like coverage, but I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do after to kind of diffuse it all out. I'm gonna still have it looking like skin. And it's funny because I work at the airport, and in the international terminals, I see women of all shapes, sizes, races, ethnicities. They be having their powders and their little thing, no makeup on really, and just be slapping it on. And I'm like, oh, you look good. So I've been stealing their technique and doing it too because, you know, it's just so cute. But since I am at home and I have everything I need, I then go on with the brush and just kind of brush it all in. If you don't want to contour, you don't have to contour. I probably don't see contour in my future today. We're going to go in with our e.l.f. blush Quad. This is what it looks like. If you guys could take a wild guess, you guys know that I use this shade. I'm not really into pinks. I like the shade that looks more like a contour shade, even though it's not a contour shade. I like this one, and we just put it up and down our cheek. Like if you were going to the club or to like crustaceans or something, you probably would have gone in with the slicked it on up. But since I'm just going to dinner at my parents, my family-in-law's house, blush is just enough. You could really go ham with the blush because it's not pink, it's not like a clown color, it's more like a, you know, everyday wear. So those are the vibes that I go for. Like our Rihanna, we got Mean Money and Hustler Baby all in one. Then, you know, then you could bring a little bit on your eye, bit on the middle of your forehead, so you're glistening. Looks like, oh my gosh, you're glowing. People be like, you got that pregnancy glow, and I'm like, oh, do I? It's been a minute since I used my finger to do something so stupid. Boom tada, boom tada, boom tada. If you guys watch any of my videos, you know my favorite spray to use is the Jurlique. Not only is it refreshing, it smells delicious. Like I could just go bathe in this. No, seriously, but it smells really good. It's very refreshing. It's like mist. If you have a problem with cake face or making your face, you know, your makeup is cakey, whatnot, you need this in your life. That's all I'm gonna say. You might need to try it. It is kind of, it's not pricey, it's $30. There's things more expensive than this, so I think that it's worth every $30 you spend. Like, it's worth it. I've bought this 100 times, literally. Like, I have so many empty bottles of this that they should sponsor me. The amount that I spray is the amount you should spray, okay? Ooh. Ooh. Okay, that's enough. I normally go on with a lot more, but that's enough. Make sure everything's good. And then finally what comes after this is, if you want it to be bold, you was going out to a nightclub or something, to a museum, I don't know where you're going, you could go in with a colorful lip. Like you could wear a plum color, red, whatever your heart desired, brown, it really didn't matter. You can go in with whatever color lipstick you wanted. You could throw on some eyelashes. Just if you were looking for that ultra glam. Some people aren't. Like me today, we're not looking for our ultra glam. We're gonna go on with a nude shade lip, a little bit of lip gloss, mascara, and that's it. So I decided to line my lips, be a little fancy. Puntada. We'll just add a little bit of Lolita to here. Dab it in with the fingers. Lastly, we're gonna go on with our Fenty lip gloss to top off our. Smells good. Alright, so we're going for that vibe. Let's take down the hair. So I wand curled my hair before work today. Combing it out might not be the best idea, so I 110% don't want to have to wand curl it again tomorrow. You guys, this is such an old wig. I've literally had this wig for somebody's lifetime. I do have video on how I colored it like this. It of course used to be a lot more vibrant. Yeah, I'll link everything about this wig. I'm gonna link all the videos for this wig, and if you wanted to know where I got this wig from, it's definitely gonna be in one of those videos. This side is optional. You could definitely, you know, do what you please. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy makeup look. Very wearable, very doable within under 10 minutes, you know? So if you want it to look cute and fun, say, you could do it. So yeah, don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys next time.
Stop playing with 'em.